All right, guys, we got stats for basketball in the last 3 games. Played a weekend tournament, played 3 games. Jones, Smith, Black, Murphy, Wilson. There's their scores, and I've got points for each game of what they've got. Um, I want to do the total here too. Um, delete that. So we want to come across total points that Jones scored. So I click here. I go to my feature sum, which is the equal sign up front, the sum. And I can do B3 plus C3 plus D3, enter. Gives me 28 points. There's another way to do it. I can come here, the function key sum, highlight it, and it does the same thing. Or I can just type it in, equals, and it already highlights it, sum. Now I can also, instead of typing that every time, I can grab it and come down. These are the total points scored. So let's do the totals for each game. This is just a starting 5. Again, I come to the sum. I'm going to highlight them, enter. I'm going to come across, we had 127 points total. Make sure that's centered too. Okay, now we'll get the average they scored. Now I've got the total. I'm not going to include the total in I want an average per game. So I'm going to come over here to the sum function, click average. Highlight right here, enter, and come down. We average 43 points per game, 42 points per game, and this is the average of each player. And you can put in a bar right here, make it thick, put it on the bottom to separate. And you can do like that and also do the columns at the same time. Now, let me show you one more feature right quick. And this is a neat feature about Sheets. January, February, March. Now, I don't want to type this, but I need all 12 months. I'm going to go to the top. I'm going to grab first 3. I'm going to come down all the way to 12. Just like magic. So we'll talk about this more in class later.